Welcome back guys, CryptoFi channel. Today I would like to talk about Bubblemaps new feature, time travel. Definitely it's a game changer. Let's dive in. Guys, first of all, I highly recommend you subscribe channel and go and watch all videos in Bubblemaps playlist on-chain analytic. Highly recommend you create account. It's totally for free on Bubblemaps. If you want to dive in more into on-chain analysis, double check the relationship of devs, insiders, track the wallets, and all of this stuff. It's give you the perfect visualization, first of all. And the second one, it's give you a lot of useful real data. So I already explained to you, we can analyze the charts. But the more important, if we analyze some low cap tokens or meme sector, to analyze the on-chain data, the relationship between the wallets, the behaviors, the insiders, so we can track it together with the Bubblemaps. Yesterday, I posted the video about the magic nodes. Highly recommend you go and watch the magic nodes video and combine it together with the time travel option. So this one, this is time travel, this is magic nodes. I want to show you the example on Nero token. When we open any token, we see this picture. So this is just a basic picture, and each bubble, it's one single wallet and some connections between the wallets, it's transfers, and we need to find the cluster. I already explained to you if some token in holders list some wallet hold over than 5% or 10%, it's definitely the red flag, but sometimes it can go worse. Take a look at the Nero example at this present moment. So this present moment, we can click on any wallet and it looks like just a random big holders. Not a big deal, right? But the problem is when you click the magic nodes here, you will see this is one big cluster. All these wallets connected together, right? That's why it can be one group of people, it can be the team, insiders, or whatever. But what we're trying to find with the time travel and why it's important. So with Bubblemaps time travel feature, you can literally rewind the blockchain and see how the token distribution have changed over the time. So it's really important because when we click on the calendar, you can check by days how the distribution, how the connections, how the transfers change it during the time, right? But the most important to check the launch date. When we track the launch date, we can see the distribution when the token just deployed, the contract deployed, the distribution of the tokens at the beginning. So it's really important because, for example, the distribution at this current moment can look like this one. But at the launch date, we can track how the initial supply being distributed to the venture funds, to maybe some insiders, to influencers, some advisors, what the allocation do they got at the beginning, you know, and we can control and track how centralized, how manipulative this token can be in the future. I'll recommend you, by the way, use of this feature to track, just in educational purpose, to track some chart and time travel option before or after some pump and dumps, and double check what's happened at exactly that day and track that wallets. So we'll find the behaviors and find the insiders who definitely know where to buy, where to sell. So it's give you a lot of additional data. So to use the time travel, we need to open this one, calendar. For example, we can track the launch date and check how the distribution looks like at the beginning. So 10 months ago, the distribution looks absolutely totally different than we get now. So this is how the basic distribution looks like at the launch. And we see even at the launch that Nero was totally controlled because this is clustered by colors. For example, this cluster own 3.41% of total supply. So it's kind of big one. This orange one, 2%. So in total, it's already over than 5. This one is 1.58. This one, 2.2. So it's kind of big one. And even if we use the magic nodes combined with the time travel at the launch date, you will be more surprised. This is a real picture of distribution, imagine, at the launching of the tokens. So we can track with the time travel option the fair launch or not fair launch, you know, or some insiders make their own decision to invest into this token or skip it. Which wallet we can track on the distance, copy paste their moves. Also, you can not just use this option with calendar, you can open the price chart. Let's go back to the today moment. We can use the price chart and it will be the same time travel option. So we can open any moment just on the graph and travel in time. Before or after the pumps. So let's say before the pump, 3rd September 2024, we can track this date and top after 7 days. This is how the distribution that time looks like. So take a look from Gate.io, deposit wallet, the supply spread to other wallets, right? So the big cluster. That time, that cluster from the Gate.io hold 11%. Let's take a look at September 10, how the visualization changed. So 5.4 million tokens and around half a million value. Let's take a look how the value change of this cluster. So here 4.23 USD, and this cluster now own 3% less. This is a way how you can track some wallets, how you can track some changes, and even by days using the time travel. Just an educational purpose, I highly recommend you create an account on the Bubblemaps. All links will be under the description below. It's totally for free. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.